Ashadh Shukla Dashmi. Ashadh Shukla Dashmi holds spiritual and seasonal significance in the Hindu calendar, especially in the context of the upcoming Chaturmas and related Vrat. Here's a breakdown of its importance. Tithi overview. Tithi, Dashmi, 10th day, of the bright fortnight, Shukla Paksh, in Ashadh month. It falls just before the important Ashadhi Ekadashi, which marks the beginning of the sacred Chaturmas. Transition toward Chaturmas. Ashadh Shukla Dashmi acts as a preparatory spiritual day leading up to Devsheni Ekadashi, Ashadhi Ekadashi, the day when Lord Vishnu is believed to go into Yog Nidra for 4 months. Hence, Dashmi is seen as a time for cleansing, penance, and completing worldly tasks before entering the spiritually intense period of Chaturmas. Agricultural connection. This period marks the beginning of the monsoon season in most parts of India. Rituals and prayers are often offered for timely rains, good crops, and fertility of the land. Observances or practices. Bathing rituals, snan, and dan, charity, on this day are considered auspicious. Some regions observe it with Vishnu Puja or offerings to ancestors to seek blessings before Ekadashi. Those who follow strict Vrat traditions begin gradual dietary adjustments or take vows for Chaturmas from Dashmi onward. Deity association. Though not tied to a major festival, Lord Vishnu, Vivaswat, Surya, and sometimes Lakshmi are worshipped depending on regional customs. In some Vaishnav traditions, Dashmi is dedicated to cleansing the body and mind in preparation for Ekadashi fasting. Punaryatra, literally meaning return journey, holds deep ritualistic and symbolic significance, especially in the context of Jagannath Rath Yatra and other temple chariot festivals in India. Its relevance becomes especially prominent during the Ashadh month, particularly after the main Rath Yatra festival. What is Punaryatra? Punaryatra refers to the return journey of the deities to their original abode after a ceremonial visit or yatra. In many temple traditions, the deity is taken out in a grand procession, and after a few days, a Punaryatra or Ulta Rath is observed for the return. Jagannath Puri or Punaryatra. In Jagannath Puri, the deities, Jagannath, Balbhadra or Subhadra, travel from the main temple to Gundicha temple during Rath Yatra. After 9 days, they return to their abode on Ashadh Shukla Dashmi or Ekadashi, in a procession called Bahura Yatra, which is the Punaryatra. This journey marks the return of divine energy to the sanctum and the restoration of cosmic order. Symbolic meaning. Return to the source. Just as the deities return to their original place, Punaryatra symbolizes the soul's return to its origin, a journey from the world back to the divine. Completion of cycle. It represents completion, renewal, and a fresh start, very much aligned with the upcoming Chaturmas, a time for spiritual retreat. Public darshan ends. The deity returns inside the sanctum, marking the end of their temporary public visibility. Other traditions. Temples in Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu also observe Punaryatra as part of their annual Utsav rituals. Sometimes called Ghar Vapsi Utsav or Nivriti Din, it is observed with Kirtan, Bhajan, Nevedya or Sankirtan.